everybody, I'm currently sitting on my floor right now because I have no furniture because I'm moving. Why am I moving? I'll tell you later. But right now I'm bored and I'm gonna perm my eyelashes, so let's see how it goes, shall we? So I got this off of Amazon and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, so it came in this box. It is made in China. Okay, so this is the eyelash perming solution. This is the eyelash treatment first cream. This is the eyelash cleanser. And this is the eyelash restore. And then these are what you curl with, and this is eyelash glue. It comes with instructions. Okay, so I'm going to open this. I'm nervous. I'm gonna do one eyelash at a time. I'm going to use this lash glue and put it on this, or I'm gonna put it on this, and then put it on my eye. I guess let's do this, huh? Smells weird, but whatever. Oh, it comes in sizes. Small. This is a small. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use the medium size. It's fun. It says use a toothpick to put some solution A on the eyelashes. Thick eyelashes wait for 10 to 12 minutes. Thin eyelashes wait for 8 to 10 minutes. Note, before use neutralizer B, must use cleaner to clean the perm. Okay, so now we're going to take the perming solution, which is this, and put it on your lashes. It smells terrible. Time about 10 to 12 minutes for my lashes. I'll see you then. I am gonna take a Q-tip and put a little more perming solution. Oh, that's a lot. A little more perming solution on it because I just looked at the directions and there was like way more than I put. I just got it all on my eyebrow. Okay. So now it says use the cleaning solution to take it off and then put the neutralizer on for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take the cleaning solution and wipe off, I guess. Okay, took it off and now I'm going to put on the neutralizer for about 8 to 10 minutes. use the cleaner to clean it. Okay. It contains a cleaning element. After cleaning neutralizer and glue, please use eyelash restore. Okay. So I'm gonna clean it off. Use the eyelash restore for about 3 to 6 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off now. Wow, I'm gonna have to get the gunk off my... Okay. Okay. Cool. Let me... Nice. Cool. I definitely can see a difference. So let me just show you. Definitely impressed so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye. Hey everyone, it's been about 3 weeks since I permed my eyelashes and they are still very much permed, so I would definitely recommend this product. And if you want to purchase it, you can go to the description box. You can go to the description box and click the link and it should take you to the product where you can purchase it, and I'm definitely going to be using this again. So thanks for watching the video, have a great day, and make sure to subscribe.